Hello Moffsters, this is Moffrey and welcome to Moffrey's vlog. Well, just had a parcel come in, so I'm going to open it. Just getting my scissors. The parcel I'm actually opening is my new coffee machine. Well, the machine I got's called the Machino, and not only does it come with the coffee machine, it comes with a couple of different flavors. You've got the creamer aroma, you've got dark chocolates, you've got caramel. These are the ones here. You've got classic actually I've got two classicos. For some reason they've given me two intensos as well, which is a really strong coffee. And I've noticed with these capsules they actually come with 100 capsules. So yeah, I wouldn't need to worry about running short on coffee. Well, at the present I'm actually taking out the coffee machine, so I'm going to rest my phone up on there. There's the base part of the machine where you put your mug on. Here's the coffee machine itself. Now, that's what I call a coffee machine. It's a nice little skinny one, not like my Cafetly coffee machine I got over there, which is bulky. And what's even cooler about the Machino is it comes with the actual coffee frother itself. So yeah, I'm going to do a bit of setting up, so I'll continue the vlog after. Well, the thing I didn't notice about the Machino is the boxes that the capsules come in are pretty large, and they take up a lot of space in the cupboards. So yeah, might have to find somewhere else to put them, but yeah. But They come in different strengths. The classic is an 8 and the intense is like a 10, and so forth. Well, this is it from this vlog. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe and leave a comment down below. You can follow me on my social media sites. I'm on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for more videos.